Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of our discussion is my aim in life. But before saying anything about aim, I would like to explain the word motivation. Motivation is something that cannot be understood with words, but with practice. It means to be moved by something so strongly that it becomes a driving force behind our life. Uh, Motivation becomes inspiration for us. In addition, motivation is a discipline that helps you to achieve your life goals and also helps to be successful in life. This is actually motivation or inspiration which compels you to set a goal or an aim in your life. It is a universal truth that everything has been created by God with some purpose. Man is the best of all creatures on this earth. He should know the purpose of his precious life he has been gifted with. So, his life without aim is purposeless, useless, and pointless. Being a great blessing of God, life should be goal oriented. It must have a certain aim. Aim is the only thing which differentiates him from animals. In ancient times, life was very simple. Man had to struggle hard only to hunt animals for food. But now it's a different time. We have new challenges to meet, we have new problems to solve. So, one should be ready for all these things. One can face life and its problems with a plan. Without a plan, life would be difficult to lead. I also cherish an aim in my mind. I want to become a teacher, though there are many other professions. One can become a doctor, an engineer, a businessman, banker, or a trader who can earn a lot of money every day. But life should not be a slave to money. I want to become a teacher. In this profession, one cannot get a huge salary. I know teachers in our country are low paid. I also know that people don't think this profession as a great one. They think that teachers are merely teachers with no high status in society. But even then, I want to become a teacher because I love this profession from the core of my heart. I love it because a teacher plays his role in nation building. I also admit this fact that teachers are not considered to be an important part of our society. But all the same, I like this profession. I think teaching is the highest job to do. It is because teachers bring light of knowledge in the lives of others. They take them out of ignorance. They teach them good values. My argument for being a teacher is strong according to my vision. I don't need any reward from the people, but I need it from God Almighty. This is what I think, this is what I believe. In my opinion, a poor literate man is far better than an illiterate rich man. So, that is why I want to be a teacher, to serve my nation. This is a solid aim of my life.